the question that I have for us to explore is, how do we differentiate between these two places of where the rally starts, the yellow start and the black start, right? What would tell us in the yellow circles that this is the rally within the trading, excuse me, this is the rally within the trading range, rather than, a takeoff from the trading range and, away from the trading range?
Well, what I notice here on these, obviously the volume profile is significantly different. We kind of originate from kind of selling climaxes. So we know that volatility is going to increase. But then I'm looking for the testing. And here's the testing. And here's the testing. And some testing here. But what I like here, say there's a slight difference here. Here we come back, we test, we take off. Then we come back in it once again. Then we have some absorption before we take off. Here we come down. We have a selling climax. We do a little bit of floundering here. We push on up, unable to test the highs. Here we show slight bit of strength here because we break into higher highs. Then we come back down. And again, we have some testing before we push on up. And this is the, what do we have here? An apex. This is another form of like absorption, if you will. Then we break on out. Here, we don't have really, the volume here is relatively high for the local kind of price action for the last couple of weeks or so, but still nothing compared to, this is kind of, you can spot this a mile away. So again, and look at the automatic, well, if you think, look at the first rally off the low, Raymond. We just completely ignore and we break into new highs.